Welcome to the tutorial on using the GeoResGlobe to explore the Queensland Exploration Program, or QEP. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to search for a property, identify land released through the QEP, and view resources activities either on or near your property. The QEP provides a schedule of exploration opportunities in Queensland for resource commodities. The QEP includes details of each exploration tender area and the timing of the competitive tender process. A new topic has been created to help users identify if their property is directly impacted by the release of the QEP. A topic is a grouping of map layers with a similar theme. You can locate the Queensland Exploration Program topic in the Topics panel. There are two ways to search for the QEP topic. One, under All Topics, scroll down to find the QEP topic. 2. Use the search bar to type in Queensland Exploration Program. This topic includes useful mapping layers that will support you through this tutorial. Click Launch to add the layers associated with this topic to your layers list. Select Replace Current Topic. This will replace the current layers with the new topic layers. Open the Layers panel to see the newly added data. You may need to expand the tree to see each individual layer. Note that some layers may have been added to the list but are not turned on by default. If the layer is ticked, then it will be visible on your map. If the layer is ticked but the name is greyed out, then it is not visible at the current scale, and you may need to zoom in until it appears. Please allow ample time for your map to load and display all the data. Following the release of the QEP schedule, exploration tender areas are displayed as a Proposed Advertised Area under the Permit Administration Areas layer. To view the areas released under the QEP, select the Permit Administration Areas layer in the Layers panel. Expand the tree to view the Advertised Area layer, which also needs to be expanded. There is a separate Proposed Advertised Area layer for each commodity such as coal or petroleum. While the call for tenders is open, the exploration tender area will appear as an advertised area. After the tender closes, the advertised area becomes a historical advertised area under the Historical Advertised Area layer. If an advertised exploration area is awarded to a preferred tenderer, then that area will be displayed under the Exploration Permits layer under the relevant commodity as an application, or following approval requirements, a granted tenure. Now that the Queensland Exploration Program topic has been added to your map, you can search for your property. There are multiple ways you can do this. Method 1. The first way to locate your property is to search for your Lot on Plan number. If you don't know your Lot on Plan number, then you can look at your rates notice or visit the Business Queensland website to do a property and title search. Once you know your Lot on Plan number, enter it in the Lot on Plan search panel in the format of lot number, plan type, and plan number as shown, with no spaces, no additional text such as lot or on. Hit enter, select Add to Places for your lot to show on your map. Your property will now appear with a red outline and yellow highlight. Method 2. The second way to search for your property is to click Current Location in the bottom right of the screen. A yellow dot with a blue outline will appear on your screen. Once your location is identified, go to the toolbar and select Draw Places. Click Draw Polygon, then start clicking around the perimeter of your property. Once you have drawn around the perimeter, a yellow shape with a red outline will appear over your property. Both of these methods will enable you to find an accurate location of your property. Alternative methods. You can search your property using place name, property name, and street address in the search panel, although some of the results may produce a more general location. For more information on how to use these search functions to locate your property, click Help and browse the Quick Find Help section. Instructions are located in the search menu. Once your property is marked on your map, open the toolbar on the top right of the screen. Select the Identify Point tool and click on your property. The results window will display data for your selected parcel, including the property's lot plan, feature name, and the surrounding local government area. Open the legend on the right-hand side of your screen to explore the meaning of the symbols on your map. Only layers that are switched on will be visible in the legend. If you only want the legend to display symbols relative to the vicinity of your property, click the box next to Show Legend in Extent Only. Use the Identify Point tool to view more information about permit administration areas. The results window will display what layer the selected area is displayed under, which in this case is a proposed advertised area for petroleum. The window also displays data including the application type, the mineral which will be explored, and the area's approximate locality. If the area is displayed as an advertised area, that means it is out for tender. The results window for an advertised area will display the Gazette date and close date, indicating how long the area will be open for tender. To view your map in more detail, you can select the Satellite Imagery layer under Base Maps to view the natural and physical surroundings of an environment. It is best to activate this layer after locating your property and any resource authorities of interest, as some layers are unable to be viewed once the Satellite Imagery layer is activated. To view other resource activities happening near your property, you can return to the Layers panel and select the boxes next to Exploration Permits and Production Permits. Expand the layer trees to view tenure applications that have been lodged and tenures that have been approved. Use the Identify Point tool to find out about a tenure's permit type, permit status, and holder. In addition to GeoResGlobe, the same web page where you can find your lot on plan number can also be used to search for resource authorities near your land. Simply select the way you would like to search for resource authorities, then fill in your details and click Submit. This concludes the tutorial on the Queensland Exploration Program. For further information and troubleshooting tips, please check the written help pages and our other tutorials. For more information on the Queensland Exploration Program, please visit the Business Queensland website.